All right, so we are at the shop. It's Friday morning, and we had a pretty big snowstorm come through here yesterday. I'd say we probably got like 6 inches, 8 inches, maybe. I don't know, a lot. But so whoever comes in here first is going to be coming off of a rough morning, probably done a lot of shoveling. So we're going to give them a free coffee. What's up,
Morning,
dude?
how you doing?
Good. What can I get for you, man?
Which one would you recommend out of your signatures?
The Compass is really good too if you like hazelnut because it comes with an extra shot.
We'll do that one.
The Compass?
The Compass,
Okay.
yeah. I like it iced.
All right. You're one of those weirdos, huh?
Yeah.
I got you, man.
Thank you.
There you go, man. You're all set. No, you're good, dude.
All good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You deserve a free one today. Freebie Fridays.
There you go. Thank you.
Later.